Hello everyone, cleansing for the month of May. As we all know, we just entered new month today, and it's as usual, it's a normal thing that each time or any day that we enter new month, a lot of people start asking questions what they can do to cleanse themselves in order to enter the new month. This month, being month of May, we don't actually need that deep cleansing. What we need this month is light cleansing. What do I mean by deep cleansing? You don't actually need to go and gather all the materials all in the name of doing cleansing for you to enter new month. No, what you need is just few items, because this month is gonna be a very good month for everybody. So I decree. Okay, for this new month being May, all you need to do, if not that it's not good for you to walk into the new month with the past energies of the past months. Actually, this month doesn't really know much of that deep cleansing, but for the sake for you to enter the new month with a very clean energy, that's why you need to do the necessary things. Okay, here, all you need to get for this particular month is for you to get alligator pepper. When you get alligator pepper, mind you, if your alligator pepper is not yet opened, how you can open this alligator is for you to take it behind your back. You open it behind your back. After opening it behind your back, you bring it back to the front. It doesn't matter which hand you are holding it with. You can actually hold it with any of the hands, the one you want or the one that is okay for you. So after opening it from the back, you bring it back to the front. Then you count out 21 seeds of alligator pepper. When you bring out 21 seeds of alligator pepper, by then you must have gotten your bucket of water. You have it already. You count out 21 seeds of alligator pepper, then you add sea salt with it. You can actually get sea salt in the market. If you don't have sea salt already, you can actually use your kitchen salt. You don't have to go and disturb yourself trying to get sea salt if you don't have any. You can use your kitchen salt. Okay, so when you bring out 21 seeds of this alligator pepper, you put them, hold it like this on your palm. You speak words into it. I know a lot of people will still ask me questions. What kind of words are you going to speak into it? If you know your intentions, you speak life into that alligator pepper. Don't just go and bring out 21 seeds of alligator and put it inside your bathing water. No, speak words of life into that alligator pepper. Give it command. All right, speak your intentions into it. The same thing you are going to do with the sea salt or your kitchen salt. After speaking life into those items, you put it inside your bathing water. Now, if you have any oil, almond oil, be it olive oil, be it your palm kernel oil, whichever one you have, put it a drop, like 4 drops inside the water. You can bathe with it. Now, bathing with it, you must have first of all taking your bath normally. After that, you now bathe with this particular water that you must have added your 21 seeds of alligator pepper, and you speak life into it. You do so with sea salt as well. You add it into your bucket of water, then you bathe it with it. Then after bathing with this particular water, you don't have to clean your body. Allow it to dry. Allow your body to dry up like that. Then you can put on your clothes back. Remember, as you are bathing with the water, you have to also be speaking life into yourself. Now, after this, I know a lot of people will come to my DM to start asking me questions. What if you don't stay in your house? What if you are living in someone's house? See, it's not everything that you actually need somebody to tell you. There are some certain things you need to use your common sense to do. If you are living with somebody, find out a convenient time or convenient place for you to do this particular thing. Remember, it's always good to enter into a new month with a clean energy. You don't have to walk into the new month with the past energies of the past month. Do this and thank me later. This is Adandigbo Lifestyles. If you actually love what I do here, do well to do what? To join me. Let me say it like this. I don't want to say it the other way around because of these people, so they don't have to magolo my space. All right, see you guys. Thank you so much. Wait for another update. More are coming. Thank you.